collab with SB19. Sana nga, why not? Pray natin kung mangyayari lang siya naturally. Tapos kailangan may dance break, diba? When they made me hear the song first time, I had to play it twice right away because it was so good. It was so good. Parang it captured like not just the original version when I was with River Maya, but also kind of like what I like as a solo artist. It's really nice. It's really nice. I like it, and it's so well sung. So it makes me proud. Makes me proud. And thank you, Pablo, and Jonathan for that very nice interpretation of Liwanag sa Dilim.
Di po, River Maya, sobrang legends po yan. Alam naman po natin na si Sir Rico, sobrang husay sumulat. And through his music, he's able to inspire a lot of people. And lalo na yung Liwanag sa Dilim, ang napakaganda ng message niya. So hopefully, ngayon nabigyan ulit siya ng buhay, mabigyan siya ng chance madinig ng new generations. Sana ay ma-inspire sila at makita nila ang Liwanag sa Dilim.